Ready and willing, as they say.
Time to narrate another video. Licorice all sorts. This one was fun. Most of those are made out of soap dough, and some of them are actually melt and pour, like the layered ones, the candies.
And they look so real, you would eat them if you didn't know otherwise, wouldn't you?
I tried this soap last year and it didn't work out, so I've been wanting to try it again. So here we go. Added the lye water solution to the oil, soaping at room temperatures. Got my gloves on. Stirring, stirring, stirring.
And we've got an awful lot of narration to do. I think it's 13
videos.
13 videos to narrate.
Let's get busy.
And the sun's coming out, so you know what that means, don't you? We have to get our skates on.
Our skates. The room's about to get hot. The sun's coming around to the front of the house.
Anyway, we've been modifying our setup here. I've loaned my beautiful wife my mic stand from the studio so we can get it in the right position, because
so you can hear us both.
You can hear us both equally.
Yeah. Now, by the time we're narrating these videos, I don't necessarily remember what I did. So I have to watch the video and jog my memory. I don't know if we're getting old or what's, so I'm just pouring this off for my piping. But yeah, I don't know if we're getting old or what's going on, but believe us, we used to be really smart.
You get more dumber as you get older.
You do. You forget your words. There goes the titanium dioxide. You forget your words. You say them backwards.
Ooh, here we go. Izzy wizzy, let's get busy.
Start making sound effects like children, right?
Yeah.
We do that all day.
Do you know, every time I look at that titanium dioxide, it reminds me of that'd be a gorgeous white paint to have on wood.
Well, I think they use it in paint, but I could be wrong.
This
is obviously food grade titanium dioxide. There's different grades. But yeah, so back to my favorite TD, nice and white. Not that I mind a beige soap, but, but when I want it white. So, description for that one is, the link for that one's in the description below if you want to try this TD. That, I can't tell you what that fragrance is because it's proprietary, but it does have anise seed oil in it to get that licorice smell, and then some lovely candy smells.
Yeah, and you put quite a lot in, I noticed that. That's probably up to give it the strength of smell.
Well, you can't put too much of the anise oil in because that one's really strong, but every fragrance has a different maximum percentage you can use, and you start to get to know how much you need to get the desired effect, right?
And I have no clue because I'm not at that stage yet. I'm a rookie.
You're a rookie. There's my candies I made. Mostly soap dough. The layered ones are melt and pour.
Oh, there they go.
Yeah.
And I'll guarantee everyone who's watching this is thinking, I need to go and buy a couple of bags of licorice also.
Yeah. I was so excited to make this soap and cut it and see how it came out.
Anyway, while the good lady is mixing the all sorts into the soap,
yeah,
we're off to the bush for a month very soon, and bet you're all jello, aren't you? We're going fishing.
Some people don't like camping though.
We're fishing. We're doing it. We're becoming bush people. We love it.
For a month. April 28th till May 31st, which means fruitsofaloon.com will be closed. It's probably closed while you're watching this. What is the date today? April 10th.
10th.
But you won't see this until Lord knows when.
Yes, so we'll be there in the boonies. It's pitch black at night. There's not a soul about.
You can see all the animals,
the stars, the weird stuff that happens in the forest.
It's a little bit scary at night, and it's also very scary in our tiny little camper when there's a thunderstorm. I love thunderstorms, but when we're in that camper, I get so scared because the thing shakes.
And apparently we are in Sasquatch area, so that makes it extra exciting, doesn't it?
Yes, we are in Sasquatch area. Haven't seen one. You gonna do some tree knocking?
No, I think we best leave them alone. But you
think
never
so.
know if they're watching you at night, because it is really scary actually at night. But
Yeah, it is.
we're nice and snug and safe in there. But yeah, we're going camping. So any of you folks out there who like to go out camping and fishing and
I'll be posting
getting
pictures
out in the boat,
to Instagram. So go follow on my Instagram.
pictures of our journeys.
Fruits of a Loon on Instagram, and you'll.
We're like 2 kids again.
We will be like 2 kids. We're gonna bring the rubber dinghy, which also scares me because it's getting a little bit old and it's stretchy, and I don't know. The whole thing's just kind of scary at this age. We don't venture far from the campsite, do we? But
no, the dinghy's getting a bit stretched, so that's the worry. You see, it might burst, but I'm okay with it.
It won't burst. It just freaks me out. I don't want to be in the middle of the lake in it. Put it that way.
And the fear is if you'd fall in the water, you see, you have the snapping turtles, so you wonder if they'll have a snap at you as you go past swimming.
I saw one once come up to the dinghy. Look how clean that suddenly became.
Wow.
Now we're doing the piping. I was in the dinghy once with my daughter, and a snapping turtle swam up, went under the dinghy, and started clawing at the bottom of the dinghy with its giant claws, and that has made me paranoid ever since.
And them claws are like steel, believe me.
Snapping turtles I love them, but
you know what's the best thing about going to the bush is that it's so peaceful and quiet with the animal, the wildlife, and you feel like you're the only 2 people in the world.
As soon as you get there, though, your senses become very acute. Like your hearing, you have to be listening to the birds' reactions, and because we're going in May, that's when the bears they're just starting to wake up now, and everything's coming to life. Oh, goody, the piping. You have to really be listening around you in the bush.
Yeah, it's something I've had to learn, because you don't obviously get that in the UK.
Right.
You don't have to worry about anything coming out, maybe a stray dog or something, but we don't have to worry about bears.
Yeah, still
Bobcats.
don't know. If anybody knows the name of that piping tip, feel free to tell me, because I still don't know. Can't help you with that one.
I could find out, because I reckon the people that make the ice gems cookies that have the icing like that on the top of the little biscuits.
They use the same tip.
It's the same tip.
It's a Wilton. I know that.
And now it's reminding me of a coconut marshmallow.
It does kind of remind me of coconut as well.
Anyway, we hope you people have all been safe and getting through this difficult time, but things are there. You've got to get out.
It has been crazy.
Get out, do something, keep yourself occupied.
There goes the candies. Save some for the top.
You'll have to let us know, people, what your favourite licorice oil sort is.
Yes, there's some of those.
You're only allowed one now.
When I buy those, I avoid the multicolored stacked ones. I don't like those. I like the actual licorice taste.
Yeah, I like them all because I'm greedy.
My other favorite is... Nope, not those. Those are the ones I don't eat. Do you know why that end bar is going to be different? Because I can't count to 10. Surprise. But those are my favorite right there. Those chewy things with... I don't know what's on them.
There's 10 on there. What are you on about?
No, look. See, there's 9 blue ones. And then the end...
Oh, yeah.
I do that all the time. I don't understand it. But anyway. Somebody will get the special bar.
These are the round little jellies, aren't they?
I wonder if this mic is working and if we're actually recording. Sparkles, you have to have or is that, yeah, that's sparkles. No, it doesn't show up there until after we're done, so we can't tell if it's recording. But there's a close-up.
Beautiful, eh? Nice colours.
I've been making a lot of soap dough embeds.
Yeah, she's been very busy, and obviously over the winter it's to keep yourself occupied, snowed in and whatever.
But also because we're going to be gone for a month. There it is, out of the mold. I need to have videos pre-scheduled for all of May. And I think I did them all the way up to August at this point. But yeah, on Instagram, we're going to be posting videos, clips, and pictures from the forest. Look at how cool that is.
Amazing. It's like a piece of artwork. Yeah, so feel free to go on Instagram and see our little journeys. We'll put some on each day, a couple of things.
At Fruits of a Loon. Remember, there's a 50% off section on the website. Oh, I can't tell you that now because by the time you see this, it'll be over. Never mind. The website is closed in May. I'm sorry if you're seeing this in June. I'm getting all kerfuffled.
Kerfuffled.
Yes. So you cannot get this soap until June. I would say the first week of June, if you want a piece of this soap, and there's only one loaf, check the website, fruitsofaloon.com, in June. But Instagram is where you'll see updates of when I drop soaps, when I send packages, what I'm working on next.
And that'll look good in any bathroom.
Especially a licorice themed bathroom, right?
Yeah. Licorice wallpaper, yeah, and whatever.
And we're coming up to the end. I might have to keep a bar of that one.
Just like, you know, the way it just randomly creates its own design is another thing that's good.
I love it. It would match rubber duckies really well. Look at that yellow.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that soap. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like licorice? Do you hate licorice?
Yeah, a duo of licorice all sorts. So
don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for joining us. We love you, and take it easy.
See you on the next one.